Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you some innovative new materials that will help you create a carob and cocoa instant tanning cream. First, let me show you the product, and then I'll show you how to put it together and the innovative materials making it possible. This is the product we're going to be making today. As you can see, it's got a beautiful chocolate colour. And when applied to the skin and rubbed on, you can see it leaves a beautiful tanning result. Now I'm getting this beautiful natural colour from Nat Pure Exco Choco by Sensient Ingredients. It's a natural material that provides you with fantastic colour and is highly stable. Now in this formula, I'm using 1% of the material. You can see the beautiful colour that it instantly provides. But you can also create some other fainter tints to your products using it at lower inputs. Now to put this product together, I'm starting with my water and I've got some glycerin, and to gel this product I'm using some Naturhio by Synerga. Now this is a carob and sclerotium gum blend with functional benefits. I'm just going to slurry these together, then add to my water phase. Next, I'm going to prepare my oil phase. Now in my oil phase, I have some Lipex Shea Light. This is a shea butter derivative, feels beautifully light in the skin and is in a liquid form. I've got some cocoa butter, and this is part of the carob and chocolate claim. And then I also have some Natifil by Synerga. That's this material here, and it's a powdered sensory enhancer with some amazing performance benefits. You can see here the increases in trans-epidermal water loss protection, as well as hydration and boost to elasticity that it provides to the skin. I'm also using some Emulsun as my emulsifier. Now I'm just going to heat and combine my phases. Now while that's cooling, I'm just going to prepare my colouring phase, and that is to add the Nat Pure Exco Choco to some extra water. Now I can do this because the gelling agent in my emulsion has not fully gelled at this point. So I can add extra water and it will incorporate in that gel phase as the gelling agent continues to hydrate. Then I can add my preservative, my antioxidant, and in this formula I'm adding a little bit of vanilla just to really sweeten the aroma. Then I just check and adjust pH. I have my carob and cocoa instant bronzing cream. Now don't worry on the day you make it, if it's a little low in viscosity, it will thicken up overnight to become this beautiful cream consistency. Now in case you're wondering, the Nat Pure Exco Cocoa by Sensient is compatible with DHA. While you couldn't add DHA to this formula because of the incompatibilities with the emulsifying agent, you can certainly add the colorant to other DHA containing formulas for natural instant bronzing effects. Just remember, you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group to access these materials and split packs with others near you, so you can use some of these amazing materials in your next developments. Please give the video a thumbs up, please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!